Hello everyone, I hope you're all safe and sound. I'm back again with another interesting video. In this video, let's learn an easy trick to remember the causes of anemia. Before that, let's know what is anemia. So anemia, it is a medical condition. It is characterized by deficiency of RBCs, that means red blood cells, or hemoglobin in the blood. So many times when we talk about anemia, we tend to think the cause for anemia is only injuries or hurts or accidents. But dear friend, do you know that there are many other important causes which lead to anemia? So I'm here to give you an easy trick to remember the causes of anemia. So without any further ado, let's get into the topic. So the causes of anemia. To remember the causes of anemia, remember the word iron fails. Iron fails. So when we remember this iron fails, let us understand what does each letter in this word means. So in iron fails, I stands for iron deficiency, R stands for renal failure, and O stands for overhydration, and N stands for nutritional deficiency, F stands for folate deficiency, A stands for acute blood loss, I stands for infection, and L stands for leukemia, and S stands for sickle cell disease. So let's quickly know how each of these factors are responsible for causing anemia. So coming to iron deficiency anemia occurs when the body does not have enough iron to produce hemoglobin, which is an important component of RBC. So this results in fewer red blood cells, which means organs and tissues does not get enough oxygen. Our second letter is R. R stands for renal failure. So renal failure causes anemia because damaged kidneys cannot produce enough erythropoietin. So erythropoietin is a hormone that signals the bone marrow to make red blood cells. So without sufficient erythropoietin, the body does not produce enough red blood cells, and that's how it causes renal failure. You might be surprised to know how overhydration causes anemia, but it is one of the reasons for causing anemia. So let's know how it does. Yeah, over-dehydration can contribute to anemia, particularly in situations where excess fluid dilutes the blood, causing a condition known as hemodilution. This condition lowers the concentration of red blood cells and hemoglobin, and it effectively creates a state of anemia. This is especially relevant in individuals with chronic kidney diseases where fluid management is crucial to prevent anemia. Coming to nutritional deficiencies. So, nutritional deficiencies in iron, vitamin B12, and folate can cause anemia by preventing the body from producing healthy red blood cells. Coming to folate deficiency, it prevents the body from producing enough healthy red blood cells. And acute blood loss that can be due to any of injuries or accidents. And next, infections. Coming to leukemia, so this causes anemia by preventing the bone marrow from producing enough red blood cells. So this can happen when leukemia cells build up in the bone marrow, crowding out healthy red blood cells. Coming to sickle cell disease. So in sickle cell disease, anemia occurs by damaging red blood cells, which reduces the number of healthy cells available to carry oxygen. So these are the causes of anemia. So again, I remind you that the trick to remember the cause of anemia is iron fails. I hope that this video is useful to you. And if you want me to make videos on any other topics, kindly link them below. And I hope you like this video. So please like, share, and subscribe to Next Nurse. Thank you.